Mañana. The HyperSwap factory is rejecting all create pair calls, regardless of who calls it, owner, EOA, contract, or what tokens are used. It has 2,887 existing pairs, but won't create new ones. The factory is either paused, locked, or hit some internal limits. This is a 100% HyperSwap slash EVM infrastructure issue, not our code. The graduation logic in the safe launch token contract is correct. It tries to create a pair and add liquidity, but the factory rejects the pair creation. Options for your contract team: use a different DEX factory if there's another Uniswap v2 compatible. Okay. Contact the HyperSwap team. Ask why create pair is reverting. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and ask the server team what she thinks, because I want her to confirm it first off. Please, please, please. Please. First, go ahead and confirm. This is what the front end team said. Every time I try to graduate, it doesn't graduate. And it seems like a HyperSwap problem. I think that's the number one liquidity DEX out there on Hyperliquid. I think you first should confirm that this is actually facts, that it's not working and she's not just approaching it incorrectly. Take a couple of different approaches here to figure this out. Think about it, test what you need to test, and then come back to me saying yes or no. Like maybe maybe we fixed it, maybe we didn't. Here's our other options, and this is the best plan moving forward. Okay. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I just honestly, I just talk, and I don't. It depends on the day. It depends on the mood. I just sit here and I just talk to the AI, and I try to get the idea there. I try to get the idea out, and sometimes it's just a ramble fest. It is what it is, but I cook. It's just about getting into the gym, dude. Just get into the gym. Just get in there. Okay, so we kind of see what's going on here, but we had some things here. Yeah, Moondev, you basically answered your own question. Here's a quick rundown. Hyperliquid started as an app chain focused on perps, originally leveraging Arbitrum for deposits and bridging. Now it's its own L1 chain, the Hyper EVM. They built their own consensus layer, Hyper BFT, and made it fully EVM compatible. So you can deploy Solidity contracts just like in Ethereum, but with way better performance, sub-second finality, high throughput. What they actually did, built a custom. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same edge Jim Simons used to build a net worth of $31 billion. I believe code is the great equalizer, and these people figured that out. They're real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. moondev.com/discord. Message anyone. Ask them yourself. Become a friend.